If you want to get small things clean like jewelry or glasses or a comb or something like that, this is a fantastic way to do it. You just fill it up with water, you turn it on, you put your object in, leave it in for a while, then you take it out. This cleans it. It also has UV light, so it helps to sterilize things as well. When you're done using it, you can dump the water out. It does come with this rag. You can wipe things down. It's fairly small, so it's easy to store, doesn't take up a lot of room, and it's really easy to use. This is the Model A6 Pro. This was sent to me so I could make this video. This is everything that you get with it. So you have a power supply, and the power supply is actually USB-C. The cloth you can use for wiping things down or putting things on to dry. It's got a little rack here and some tongs to take things out. I did find out you can use just a standard USB-C cable. It seems to work just fine. You've got a couple buttons here. This is the main button you will turn on. So it turns green to indicate it's on, and I know you can't see this, but it's you can feel the vibrations. You can hear it a little bit. You've got the max line for the water here that you'll fill it up to. And let me show you the lid. It's got some UV lights on here. If I plug it in, I'll try to open the door a bit. I don't know if you can see inside some of the UV reflected light. If I open the lid too much, it turns off. But when the lid is on, it does have UV. And this button is the degassing mode, where it will turn on for a while, turn off, turn on, then off, and back and forth. So you can kind of feel it on for 2 seconds, off for 1. Rather than telling you how well I think this works, I'm just going to show you a bunch of before and after with me using this, so you can see these various different objects. You can kind of see what it looks like before I put it in, while it's in, and after I take it out. See what kind of difference it has, and you can decide for yourself if you think this is something that would work for what you need. It's large enough that it will fit a pair of glasses and anything smaller than that. And this is designed for jewelry, so any jewelry that you want to put in here is going to work for that. And I think my favorite part about this is you just kind of put whatever in, you turn it on, you can walk away, you don't need to be there, and then you come back later, it's all done, you're good to go. This is really cool.